Welcome to Ziauddin University, an institute that builds careers. ZU started as a school of nursing in 1986 and later evolved into one of the largest universities in Pakistan. With an emphasis on critical thinking, ZU offers numerous programs that aim to create leaders that make a positive impact on the world. We have 6 faculties and 13 colleges. Our campuses are located at multiple locations in Karachi. To take our mission of educating the nation forward, we have also launched a new campus in Sakkar. ZU offers multiple courses in a variety of fields. Ziauddin has 400 plus faculty members and more than 6,000 graduates. Most importantly, we don't just focus on education. We also focus on building personalities and place great emphasis on extracurricular activities and a bustling student life. Our students often participate in debate competitions and other ventures. Most importantly, we encourage our students to explore Pakistan through our Adventure Society in order for them to understand different cultures. Ziauddin University is not just an educational institute, it's a way of experiencing life. Sir Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed was an eminent educationist, scholar, and visionary of the subcontinent. He was born in 1873 in Meerut, India. At the age of 12, he completed high school with the first division and received the Lang Medal along with a government scholarship at MAO Collegiate Aligarh. In 1895, he again secured the first position in BA and received the Shache Gold Medal at MAO College Aligarh. After completion of BA in Mathematics, Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed was appointed as an assistant lecturer in MAO College. He attained an MA degree from Calcutta University while securing first position, and in 1901 he obtained his DSc degree in Mathematics from Allahabad University. For further studies, he enrolled himself in Trinity College at Cambridge University. In 1904, he accomplished his goal and achieved the Sir Isaac Newton Scholarship. He was the first Indian to receive this honor. Later, in 1906, his thirst for knowledge took him to Göttingen University, Germany, where he completed his PhD in mathematics. Sir Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed served the Muslims of the subcontinent by raising the educational standards of the Muslim and by promoting literacy amongst the Muslim community. He also worked as an assistant secretary of Sir Syed Memorial Fund, established for the purpose of founding a Muslim university. He was inspired by Sir Syed Ahmed Khan's approach towards modern education. After the demise of Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, Dr. Ziauddin played a leading role in reviving Muslim education in the subcontinent, where he enlightened the Muslims of India with his liberal thoughts on the educational system. No single individual after Sir Syed did more in the cause of Muslim education than Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed. He was appointed as Pro-Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University. Sir Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed died in London on December 23, 1947, and he was buried beside Sir Syed Ahmed Khan in the Aligarh Muslim University Mosque premise, thus fulfilling the pledge he made to Sir Syed Ahmed Khan to serve Aligarh for his entire life. May his life ever inspire us in the path of knowledge, human service, virtue, and steadfastness. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and join us for the national anthem.
Shahbaz
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing for the Ziauddin anthem.
जिलों में रोशनी लाई, ज़ियाउद्दीन कहलाई ये यूनिवर्सिटी। जहाने ताज़ा की बातें, शऊरो आ गई रोशन, नई दुनिया की सौगातें, जमाले फन कमाले फन। में जुस्तजू लाई, ज़ियाउद्दीन कहलाई ये यूनिवर्सिटी। यहाँ पर कस्बे इल्मो आगही रोशन फजीलत है, ये सब कुछ साहिबाने इल्मो हिकमत की बदौलत है। यहाँ इंसान और इंसानियत की बात होती है, नया एक दिन निकलता है, नई एक रात होती है। यही है इसकी ज़ेबाई, ज़ियाउद्दीन कहलाई ये यूनिवर्सिटी।
Now, we would like to request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to please initiate the proceedings for today's ceremony.
Honorable Chancellor, I request you to please declare the convocation open.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I now declare the Ziauddin University convocation of 2020 open.
Thank you, sir. We commence the convocation ceremony with a recitation from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان آمنت بالله صدق الله العظيم.
Vice Chancellor Ziauddin University, Dr. Pirzada Qasim Raza Siddiqui, is an eminent person with around 53 years' experience of teaching, research, and educational management in the higher education sector of Pakistan. He earned a special training certificate of professional development from the Asian Institute of Technology, Bangkok, Thailand, and a certificate of higher education leadership from the Leadership Foundation of Higher Education, UK. He served in the capacity of Vice Chancellor in public and private sector universities of Pakistan for over 18 years. Besides being the Vice Chancellor of University of Karachi, He was the founding Vice Chancellor of a federal university. He has been a member of the Board of Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, the Charter Inspection and Evaluation Committee for Private Sector Universities in Sindh, and convener Standing Search Committee for Vice Chancellors of Public Sector Universities in Sindh. He has also been member on Board of Governors in renowned educational institutions of Pakistan. It is my pleasure to invite you, sir. Please say a few words.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Respected Dr. Ijaz Fatma, the founder of the Ziauddin Hospital Trust and the Ziauddin University. Respected Dr. Asim Hussain, the Chancellor, Ziauddin University. Pro-Chancellor Dr. Nida. Respected members of the Board of Governors, faculty members, Convocation Organizing Committee, graduating students, parents, and the Ziauddin University's fraternity as a whole. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you to the 17th Ziauddin University Convocation 2020. The circumstances due to COVID-19 have made new option for a virtual convocation this year, which is of a different nature altogether. Ziauddin University is a renowned private sector university of Pakistan, named fondly after late Dr. Sir Ziauddin, the grandfather of Dr. Asim Hussain, the Chancellor of the university. Having started from a very humble beginning as a school of nursing way back in 1986, with the passage of time, Ziauddin University has gone on the developmental phase, and as a university, we exist now as par excellence. Different fields of education with highly qualified and experienced faculty applying special teaching methodologies. This is the recognition of Ziauddin University. Dr. Sir Ziauddin Ahmad was an exceptional person, a mathematician par excellence, an illustrious educationist, and a very strong advocate for social, educational, and political development for the Muslims in the Indo-Pak subcontinent. We are grateful to Dr. Ijaz Fatma, the daughter of Sir Ziauddin, and Dr. Tajammal Hussain and his grandson Dr. Asim Hussain for establishing the Ziauddin hospitals and Ziauddin University, thus providing excellent health care and quality education in Pakistan. Ziauddin University is in its 25th year of existence, which is noteworthy. Among the many programs offered at Ziauddin University, there are medicine, dentistry, pharmaceutical sciences, rehabilitation sciences, speech, language, and hearing sciences, engineering, medical technologies, and media sciences, for which degrees will be conferred in this convocation. At this convocation, 565 students of these programs will be conferred degrees. Ziauddin University, ladies and gentlemen, is developing and growing in a phase-wise manner. At Education City at the Link Road, Ziauddin University was the first to open a full functional campus, and we are pioneer, of course. Full functional campus in that whole area is none than Ziauddin University. It's the only campus, and different educational institutions, they usually visit us and see how we manage this. And I congratulate Dr. Asim Hussain for this vision and this motivation and initiative and drive which he has. At present, in that Link Road campus, Faculty of Engineering Sciences, Technology and Management is running very, very good and extensively educational and taking care of the higher education, very good engineering programs at that campus. Simultaneously, the College of Rehabilitation Sciences has also opened the doors at Education City to these students for new coming or new admissions. In a short time, the Faculty of Pharmacy will also move to that site. So this will grow with the passage of time, and it's coming very beautifully at that campus. It's really the sight to see and appreciate what we are doing as Ziauddin University at that Link Road. The Faculty of Liberal Arts, Human Sciences and Faculty of Law and the Faculty of Eastern Medicine and Natural Sciences are already admitting a student to their programs since last year. Under the Faculty of Liberal Arts and Human Sciences, a full-fledged College of Education, Language Center and the College of Languages, Literature and Culture have been established. Ziauddin College of Medicine, since beginning, is doing extremely well. Now, under this Faculty of Liberal Arts, the College of Media Sciences also comes under the focused and opening new chapters for the communication studies. It's a really good institute we have for communication studies. As a special mention, the Faculty of Law doing tremendously well at the Bachelor of Law LLB program, as it is flourishing, and there are plans to start an LLM program very soon. We could also be collaborating with the Northampton University UK and other universities in United Kingdom. The faculty and the Dean of the Law, they are jointly doing an extremely well job. And with a very short period of time, just a year, this LLB program and the program of the law, this has got recognition. And it's really a success story which we have. So we appreciate all faculty, the deans and everybody who is there and doing extremely well. The College of Natural Sciences has already begun. Bachelor of Eastern Medicine is already started, a 5-year course. The College of Horticulture and College of Natural Sciences will be functional soon. So this is the developmental phase of the Ziauddin University. We now have a well-equipped faculty in Ziauddin University College of Nursing. As I mentioned, this is the very initial and in the beginning of the whole process of a university, becoming a university, we started with the School of Nursing. And this School of Nursing is, at this moment, when I am talking to you, is doing extremely well. And we have the PhD faculties. It's rare that in the nursing schools or nursing colleges, you have, a PhD faculty with you. So this may not only the programs of the undergraduate, but will strengthen the postgraduate programs also. and we will be able to start a good postgraduate programs in nursing as well. In line with the education system of the country, the Ziauddin entity has successfully established the Ziauddin University Examination Board and a Ziauddin school system which has now takes into fold basic education to higher education. This is the very essential need, that from the very basic education to the higher education you have a whole process. And now we can see the children, they are in the school, and then we have colleges, and then we have universities. So it's a very good integrated system which can be seen at Ziauddin University. Lastly, I must say that due to the COVID-19, a smooth functioning of online lectures and assessment was being carried out very successfully. Now, all the educational institutions, they are doing, yes, online programs. Now, we have come to the stage that we decided that our online program being so successful and so well welcomed by the students and teacher, everybody. So we will continue that in the new phase, and we will see that strengthening the this online programs will be a unique quality of Ziauddin University. Now, for this success, all the faculty of Ziauddin University, the examination department, the IT department, administrative offices, they deserve the congratulation for doing this extremely wonderful job. To the graduates, let me first congratulate you, your families, and the faculty. My dear students, always bear in mind that you are under oath to abide the professional ethics. Carry on the good work through your profession. You have to pursue your professional knowledge and experience to update and upgrade yourself, so that valuable addition to the values within yourself should continue. I pray that you all may have a very bright future. May Allah grant you wisdom, success, and a true sense of fulfillment of your cherished ideas and goals. I would like to thank the Chancellor, the faculty members, the administrative and supporting staff, and the graduating students. I also express my thanks to Dr. Nida Hussain, Dr. Abbas Zafar, Dr. Fahad Azim, the registrar, Sayyid Waqar Hussain, and all the members of the convocation committee, and also the marketing department, the public relations department, all the deans, all the principals, directors, and heads of the department. A special thanks to you for your cooperation in organizing this convocation. Thank you all once again. God bless.
Dr. Asim Hussain is the chairman of Higher Education Commission, Sindh, and chairman of Ziauddin Group of Hospitals, and Chancellor Ziauddin University. Dr. Asim Hussain graduated from Dow Medical College, after which he completed his post-graduation from CPSP and Vienna, Austria. Dr. Asim Hussain is the grandson of Sir Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed, an eminent educationist and former VC of Aligarh Muslim University. Like his grandfather, he too has a burning passion for education, with a vision to establish new career opportunities for the youth of Pakistan. Hence, he founded Ziauddin University. In recognition of his services to the nation in the fields of education and healthcare, he has been conferred with Sitara-e-Imtiaz in 2005. and Nishan-e-Imtiaz in 2013. We invite Honorable Dr. Asim Hussain. Please say a few words.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected Vice Chancellor Dr. Pirzada Qasim, Pro Chancellor Dr. Nida Hussain, members of the governing body, all the deans and principals, faculty members of the university, proud parents, and above all, the graduating students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of great privilege and honor for me to give this yearly sermon on this important and auspicious day when the students are entering a new millennium in their lives. I don't want to be long, but I'll be short and sweet. The year 2020 has changed the entire modus operandi not only of the country but of the world. The quicker we adapt to this new change, the better will be our country and we will be on the way to progress. It is now entered a day of digital world, and the world is going to be digitalized very soon. The way the people are picking up digitalization is remarkable. They will adapt their way of life to the new digital rules which we are formulating and will continue formulating. It has now been realized that health is of primary importance, and Ziauddin University was one of the first institutions in this city to provide a comprehensive healthcare service when the COVID-19 pandemic was there. We still continue endeavoring and improving our services. It is a matter of great pleasure and immense happiness that the students that are graduating from a university will enter another walk of life, which is more practical and in which their delivery towards the pursuit of their professional goals will come forward. Ziauddin, as usual, other than education, has always believed in two things. One is character building. We have been very strict in character building. And number two, humanity. With these two great weapons, they will be able to prosper anywhere in life, wherever they go. Our faculties have been increasing. Our colleges have been increasing. Needless to say, for me to repeat would not be advisable because everything is on the net today. But the progress of the university continues. We are now on the Link Road as a campus, and building one in Sakhar and Islamabad. In the end, I would again like to congratulate you on your success. It's sorry that we could not meet personally because of this situation, but I would like to meet all of you, and I'll be more than happy to meet everybody individually or as groups. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now comes the moment we are all here for. Conferment of degrees. We shall begin the process of awarding the degrees to our graduates. We call upon Professor Dr. Abbas Zafar, Dean Faculty Health Sciences, Ziauddin University, to please come to the podium to present the postgraduates in the Faculty of Health Sciences.
I am pleased to present to you candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Physical Therapy, Faculty of Health Sciences.
Dr. Sumaira Imran Farooqi, Dr. Syed Abid Mehdi Kazmi, Dr. Amna Amir Khan.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor, Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Physical Therapy, Faculty of Health Sciences, and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
I am pleased to present to you candidate for the degree of Medicine in the discipline of Emergency Medicine.
Dr. Aftab Ahmed,
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Vice Chancellor, Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Medicine in the discipline of Emergency Medicine and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
I am pleased to present to you candidates for the Master of Surgery in the discipline of Gynecology and Obstetrics.
Dr. Rita Kumari, Dr. Dania Junaid, Dr. Umme Kulsoom.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Vice Chancellor, Ziauddin University, I admit you to the Master of Surgery in Gynae and Obstetrics and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Now I present the graduates for the Masters of Philosophy, Faculty of Health Sciences in the disciplines of Pathology, Physiology, Anatomy, Oral Pathology and Rehabilitation Sciences.
Dr. Aisha Hassan Brohi, Dr. Hira Atiq, Dr. Rehana Faryal, Dr. Wasif Salim, Dr. Zaim Arif, Zainab Razak, Ali Farhad.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor, Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Masters of Philosophy, Faculty of Health Sciences, and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
I am pleased to present to you graduates of Master of Science in Nursing, Rehabilitation Sciences and Dentistry.
Daisy Jaffer, Sohail Sajid, Victoria Samar, Mohammad Shahrukh, Sobia Zahid, Farah Iqbal,
जुलेखा सलीम, उमीदा बाजली, महारानी हिना,
Dr. Ahmed bin Khalid,
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Master of Science in Nursing, Rehabilitation Sciences and Dentistry, respectively, and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Abbas Zafar. I now request Dean Faculty of Pharmacy, Professor Dr. Rafiq Alam Khan, to please come to the podium to announce the postgraduate degrees.
I am pleased to present the graduates of Master of Philosophy in Pharmacology.
Anas Hanif, Aisha Jabin, Mehwish Murad, Sana Aslam, Israrul Haq,
I am pleased to present the graduates of Master of Philosophy in Pharmacy Practice.
Hina Hasnain,
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree to the graduates.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor, Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Master of Philosophy in Pharmacology and Pharmaceutical Practice, respectively, and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. Now we commence the award of undergraduate degrees for Ziauddin Medical College. I would request the Principal, Ziauddin Medical College, Professor Dr. Nuzhat Hassan, to present the graduates of the Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery program.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is my pleasure to present to you the graduates of Batch 19 who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, to which I pray they may be admitted.
Dr. Akifa Khan, Dr. Adnan Akil Lokhandwala, Dr. Afrinesh Gul, Dr. Afshan Sadaf, Dr. Aima Nadeem, Dr. Alina, Dr. Amin Arshad, Dr. Amna Abdullah, Dr. Aksa Binte Suhail, Dr. Ariba Nayyar, Dr. Ariba Zahid, Dr. Areej Sheikh, Dr. Arfa Masihuddin, Dr. Armina Anis, Dr. Ashraf Farooq Arayan, Dr. Asya Jatoi, Dr. Aisha Altaf Jangra, Dr. Aisha Maiman, Dr. Aisha Siddiqui, Dr. Azim Ahmad, Dr. Batul Iqtidar Siddiqui, Dr. Batul Mazhar Ali, Dr. Dania Ali, Dr. Iman Khan, Dr. Faya Nagman, Dr. Farhan Farki, Dr. Farzan Shamshad, Dr. Fatma Ahmed Kasmi, Dr. Fatma Tahir, Dr. Haider Azim Manviwala, Dr. Hamda Farooq, Dr. Hamdoon Soharwardi Asim, Dr. Hamad Baksh Ilahi, Dr. Hania Athar, Dr. Hatim Mustafa Saria, Dr. Huda Bakhtawar Siddiqui, Dr. Janta Devi, Dr. Javeria Sami, Dr. Jaya, Dr. Kanize Khatija Ashraf, Dr. Khatija Khan, Dr. Khizr Shamim, Dr. Komal Kumari, Dr. M. Yunus Khan Bazai, Dr. Maas Tariq Abbasi, Dr. Madiha Sajid Siddiqui, Dr. Maham Noor, Dr. Maham Tauqir, Dr. Mahin Bhangwar Baloch, Dr. Manur Tariq, Dr. Maryam Nausharwan, Dr. Maryam Anwar, Dr. Mehak Fatma Muhammad Ali, Dr. Misha Aftab Khan, Dr. Mishkan Azam Akhtar, Dr. Momina Ali, Dr. Ahmed Hamad, Dr. Amin Imran, Dr. Hassan Asif Alam, Dr. Muhammad Ali Nadeem Rajab Ali, Dr. Shafi Muhammad Salim, Dr. Syed Ahmad Ali, Dr. Syed Saif Raza, Dr. M. Asghar Rajani, Dr. Alvina Farhat, Dr. Akhtar Saman Hussain, Dr. Mahin Shahid, Dr. Maham Zahid, Dr. Maryam Alvi, Dr. Sabrina Merchant, Dr. Sara Javed, Dr. Sara Masood Raza, Dr. Sidra Khalid Khan, Dr. Warda Khalid Rafat, Dr. Zainab Bhura, Dr. Mubina, Dr. Mudassir Hilal, Dr. Muhammad Amal Tariq, Dr. Muhammad Mustafa Ahmed, Dr. Mohammad Naveed Akhtar, Dr. Mohammad Rafi Amir, Dr. Muhammad Saad Jafri, Dr. Muntasir Ahmad Siddiqui, Dr. Nayab, Dr. Naushirwan P. Gazdar, Dr. Umair Ahmad, Dr. Umama Batul Gauri, Dr. Usama Ahmad Qazi, Dr. Usama Anis Silat, Dr. Rabel Gul, Dr. Rafia Muhammad Amin, Dr. Rashmina Shoaib, Dr. Rida Irfan, Dr. Rija Qazi, Dr. Rimsha Zamir, Dr. Rizwan Kamran, Dr. Roshni Riaz Memon, Dr. Saad Majid, Dr. Sabah Said, Dr. Saliha Khan Chujra, Dr. Salman Amin, Dr. Salman Khan, Dr. Samia Zahid Hussain, Dr. Sanobar Jamil, Dr. Saud Munib Khan, Dr. Shazia Rahman, Dr. Shahriyar Ashfaq, Dr. Shehrbano Wajid, Dr. Shiri Said, Dr. Shiza Akbar, Dr. Sayyid Kubail Abbas Rizvi, Dr. Sayyid Misbahul Haq, Dr. Sayyid Muhammad Zaid Alvi, Dr. Sayyid Usman Zia, Dr. Sayyid Yahya Abbas Kazmi, Dr. Sayyida Amna Zubia, Dr. Sayyida Farheen Fatma Zaidi, Dr. Sayyida Muntaha Arif, Dr. Talha Ahmad, Dr. Warisha Hussain, Dr. Yameen Rahmani, Dr. Zara Rahman, Dr. Zainab Said, Dr. Zakaria Irfanullah, Dr. Zarish Malik, Dr. Kirat Paracha, Dr. Ahmad Altaf, Dr. Rohail Jameel, Dr. Tuba Shakil, Dr. Washain Rahman,
Dr. Brian Charles Rosario,
Dr. Sayyida Alina Zahid Naqvi, Dr. Hamza Sana.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degrees.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor, Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. We wish you the very best for the future. We call upon Professor Dr. Mervin Hussain, Principal College of Dentistry, to present the graduates of the 7th batch of the Bachelors of Dental Surgery program for the year 2019.
I present to you the graduates of Batch 7 who have been examined and found duly qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Dental Surgery, to which I pray that they may be admitted.
Dr. Shiza Ahmed, Dr. Amna Bibi, Dr. Nasir Khan, Dr. Maha Khalid, Dr. Hira Sikandar, Dr. Maria, Dr. Arsalna Iqbal, Dr. Ramin Malik, Dr. Anika Sayyad, Dr. Mariam, Dr. Aisha Khan, Dr. Ariba Rana, Dr. Sayyid Ali Hasnain, Dr. Faryal Farooq Memon, Dr. Arisha Khan, Dr. Afia Abdul Wahab, Dr. Sana Hanif, Dr. Maham Owais, Dr. Moeen Jahangir, Dr. Zaima Khan, Dr. Nimra Rashid, Dr. Yasir Khan Dawi, Dr. Filza Shah, Dr. Daoud Khan, Dr. Anusha Rehan, Dr. Maryam Javed, Dr. Meena Kumari, Dr. Basit Noor Baloch, Dr. Hamna Shehwar, Dr. Maliha Amir Malik, Dr. Shagufta Amreen, Dr. Farooq Ahmed Khan, Dr. Maham Arshad, Dr. Aisha Farooq, Dr. Ali Ahmed Qazi, Dr. Sayyid Shahryar Ali Naqvi, Dr. Muhammad Amin, Dr. Ziaur Rahman, Dr. Sunny Kumar, Dr. Mahnoor Naveed.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor, Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Dental Surgery and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. I request Dr. Sumaira Farooqi, Principal College of Rehabilitation Sciences, to present the graduates of her college.
I present to you the graduates of Doctor of Physical Therapy, Batch 5, Accelerated Doctor of Physical Therapy, Batch 6, and Accelerated Doctor of Occupational Therapy, Batch 2, who have been examined and found qualified to the degree which I pray they may be admitted.
Ahmed Hamad Khan, Ayman Rehan, Amna Abid Hussain, Angela John Gill, Asma Fahim, Ayman Shah, Faiza Khan, Fatma Masood, Hafsa Siddiqui, Insia, Ikra Tariq, Jane Michael, Kawal Miraj, Kisa Fatma Raza, Laiba Ehsan Khan, Madiha Khan, Maha Siddiqui, Mahnoor Waseem, Maria Khan, Mehwish Tariq, Muniza Nasir, Nabira, Narmeen, Nimra Kaleem, Nimra Rashid, Nusrat Hussain Samo, Umaima Suhail Siddiqui, Palwasha Salim, Rabia Rashid, Ramsha Faraz, Rehan Raza, Sana Shamim, Sara Khan, Shahzeb Shaban, Sonia Asjad, Sumayya Rubab, Sayyida Asna Mohsin, Sayyida Ruqayya Kausar, Sayyida Subahat Fatma Rizvi, Sayyida Warda Fatma Rizvi, Sayyida Yamna Haider, Tuba Gul, Umme Habiba, Warda Siddiqui, Yusra, Zara Khan Afridi, Zainab Ansari, Zarmeen Zehra, Zarmeena Qazi, Zishan Shahid, Arsalan Ahmed, Naveed Qamar, Anam Syed, Najma Zehra, Anam, Mehreen Zahid, Sundas Khan, Mahelika Qureshi, Hira Shafi, Aliza Imtiaz, Kiran Shaukat Ali, Sayyida Noorulain Abid, Maha Khan, Nida Zulfikar, Aiza Aftab, Sundas Riaz Paracha, Nigat Shahid, Sugran, Wajiha Shakir.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor Ziauddin University, I admit you to Doctor of Physical Therapy, Accelerated Doctor of Physical Therapy, and Accelerated Doctor of Occupational Therapy programs, and charge you to uphold the honor of the degrees and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. I request Ms. Farhana Tabassum, Principal College of Nursing, to come to the podium to present the graduates of the nursing program.
I present to you graduates of the Bachelor in Science in Nursing Batch 7 and the Post-RN Bachelor of Science in Nursing Batch 3 who have been examined and found qualified, for which I pray they may be admitted.
Nazia, Shumaila Shehzad, Farhana Sahib Khan, Sajia Shaukat Ali, Salima Pradhan, Charmeen, Shafaq Aziz, Almas Nizar Ali, Misbah Mehdi, Arisha Suleiman, Niyamatullah, Uzair Ali, Hassan Dayar, Kareem, Amir Ali, Wajid Ali, Sadia Ali, Rukhsana, Farhat, Neelam Fatma, Hina Yusuf, Mina Gul, Bibi Sumera, Shahina, Celestia Joyce, Zahida, Mehreen, Gul Begum, Humaira Rani, Mehtab, Nazia Kiran, Sartaj Bibi, Tahira, Nazia Hayat, Tania, Alia, Roger Masih, Piyar Ali, Muhammad Ali, Meher Amin, Tahira Rafiq, Lubna Abdul Ghafoor, Tahira Bibi, Chanda Christina, Jamiur Rahman, Elisha Alam, Bilqis.
I request the Vice Chancellor, please confer the degrees.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Bachelors of Science in Nursing and post-RN Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. I would like to call upon Miss Amna Siddiqui, Principal, College of Speech, Language and Hearing Sciences, to present the graduates of the program.
I present to you the graduates of Batch 9 who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Audiology and Speech Language Therapy, to which I pray they may be admitted.
Afshan, Alina Khan, Fatma Ijaz, Maria Zahid, Neha Muazzam, Noorulain Asim, Samina Jafar, Shehla Junaid Siddiqui, Yasha Humayun, Hafsa Noor, Zeba Ashraf, Zoha Asif, Aksa Jamal.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degrees.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of the Bachelor of Science in Audiology and Speech Language Therapy, and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. I would now like to call Principal, College of Medical Technology, Ms. Humaira Rashid, to present the graduates for the degree of Master of Science and Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, Allied Health Sciences and Clinical Laboratory Sciences.
I present to you the graduate of MSc Medical Technology, Allied Health Sciences, who have been examined and found qualified for the degree, to which I pray they may be admitted.
Hafiz Shoaib Abrar.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of MSc Allied Health Sciences and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
I present to you the graduate of BS Medical Technology, Allied Health Sciences, Batch 3, BS Medical Technology Batch 1, BS Medical Technology Batch 2, BS Medical Technology Clinical Laboratory Sciences Batch 6, who have been examined and found qualified for the degrees to which they may be admitted.
Warda Nadeem, Nisha Zafar, Asadullah, Ariba Akhtar Khan, Atika, Jabran Khan, Sara Safdar, Maryam Athar, Shahrukh Hasnain Warsi, Syed Fahad Jameel, Syed Alam, Yasir Khan, Muntaha Afzal Javed, Wania Wajid, Anamta Riyasat, Muhammad Umar Khan, Adina, Sadaf Ghafoor, Warisha Ijaz, Muhammad Nasir, Sayyida Umme Amaima Zaidi, Muhammad Muinuddin Siddiqui, Rabia Anam Anwar, Ikra Naveed, Nimra Zahir, Abdul Qadir, Ajmal Khan, Aliza Asif, Amna Sadiq, Anis Ali Shah, Aqsa Sarfaraz, Aqsa Waqar, Arifa Parwar, Asad Abbas, Aisha Asif, Behroz Khan, Bakhtawar, Faizan Abdullah Qureshi, Farooq Fatma, Farzan Kamaluddin Bana, Fazal Wahab, Hafiza Nihan Nadeem, Hafiza Rabia Riaz, Ijazul Haq, Javeria Rafiq, Kainat Khan, Kashaf Hamdani, Khwaja Muhammad Uwais, Kinza Hamdani, Madiha Rashid, Makia Sattar, Maryam Farid, Maryam Rais, Muhammad Ahmad, Muhammad Farooq Ali, Muhammad Mukhtiar, Muhammad Sharif, Muhammad Umair Malik, Muniba Ayaz, Poonam Kumari, Qayyum Ali Shah, Rafia Shaheen, Sadaf Naz, Sadia Zahir, Sanaur Rahman, Saud Anwar, Tarish Razak, Shahriyar, Sayyid Ehtishamul Haq, Sayyid Yusuf Shah, Sayyida Aniza Shahab, Sayyida Kainat Batul, Sayyida Mehjabeen Fatma Naqvi, Ubaidur Rahman, Umme Farwa Ali, Warda Batul Jafri, Rafia Munawwar, Sayyid Naveed Shah, Nazia Khan, Abdullahi Muhammad Hassan, Muhammad Bashar, Junaid Ahmed, Majid Ali, Fakiha Salim, Atif Sharjeel, Ataur Rahman, Hafiz Muhammad Faraz Ehsan, Muhammad Arif, Shujaat Ali Khan, Uzma Hussain, Hafiz Zuhair Shujauddin, Salman Ahmad Siddiqui, Samreen Iqbal, Fariha Akhtar, Sana Ishtiyaq, Farah Salim.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor, Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of BS Medical Technologies and charge you to uphold the honor of the degrees and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. I will now call upon Professor Dr. Rafiq Alam Khan to present the graduates for the Pharm D program.
I am pleased to present the graduates of Batch 11 in Pharmacy who have been examined and found eligible for the award of Pharm D degree.
Anam Ahmed, Zainab Khan, Wafa Sagir, Madiha Athar, Rumaisa, Subhanul Haq Siddiqui, Muhammad Wasim, Faiza Ahmad, Zaheen Sheikh, Aisha Jabbar, Muhammad Zakaria Sami, Saleha Tariq, Kashaf Farooq, Warda Khalid, Sidra, Safiya Masood, Azmat Maria, Seher Siraj, फरीहा फुज़ैल, मरियम शौकत, काशिफ, शगुफ्ता रानी, हिबा शोएब, सना ज़ेब, अक्सा, यमुना अरशद, मोहम्मद उसैद तबरेज़, कोमल अली, राबिया ज़फ़र, कोमल अयाज़, सितवतुल ऐन सैयद, इरसा, नीलोफर, सिद्रा शेख, महविश आरिफ, नदीम नैयर, अंसा सलीम, सिंथिया इरफान, नाइला, तूबा आसिफ, मदन लाल, निम्रा फ़हीम, मायरा खान, अरूबा आरफीन, अनीका अली औलाक, सबीना खान, साहिर तबस्सुम, राहीला रफ़ीक, किरत सिराज विल्लो, अतूफ़ा सिद्दीकी, महरीन शमशाद, जनीता असगर, हिबा यूसुफ, खुशबख्त जहरा, सिद्रा अमीन, सवेबा, समरीन सलीम, हिरा मुनीर, शरान बिरजलाल, हमाद सईद अली, ताहिरा फातिमा, इंशा अमजद, शाज़वीन सलीम, जवेरिया फातिमा, अदीबा नसरीन, उरूज फारूक, सैयदा महक जहरा जाफरी, अरीबा शकील, मोहम्मद हशाम अल्ताफ़, वजीहा जबीन बेग, इरम जावेद, कायनात, रेहाना, वजीहा हुसैन, शहरयार खान, उम्मे हानी, आमना जावेद, फातिमा खालिक, रमशा सगीर, मोहम्मद उमर सिद्दीकी, सैयदा आलिया हैदर नकवी, मुज्तबा अहमद, माहम अली सिद्दीकी, तैमूर जलाल, नायाब, शहजाना शर्मीन, एलिया अली, रोमा तारिक, एमन शेख, अनीता गुल, यमुना अदनान.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree to the graduates.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Pharm D and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. I will now call upon Dean, Faculty of Engineering, Science, Technology and Management, Professor Dr. Fahad Azim, to present the graduates of Batch 7 of the Bachelor of Engineering Biomedical.
I present to you the 7th batch of graduate of Bachelor of Engineering Biomedical who have been examined and found qualified for the degree, to which I pray they may be admitted.
मुराद नईम, मोहम्मद काशिफ रजा, सैयद शाहजैन हसन, हैदर अब्बास, उसामा आदिल, मुनीरा मोहम्मदी जारीवाला, फातिमा इलियास, उसामा सईद, उमर हसन, शुजात अहमद खान, हफ्सा गजल, जहांजेब, रुकैया सिद्दीकी, उन्जिला जावेद, निम्रा महमूद, ऐमन मजहर, माहीन मुराद, सैयदा फातिमा एजाज, चौधरी सुभान शकील, दिलावर हुसैन, अब्दुल रहमान नज़ीर, राबिया खालिद, माहम नदीम, नदीम शाह, बिलाल मुस्तफ़ा हसन, अली शान, इरज वकार, मोहम्मद असलम, हुज़ैफ़ा अशरफ, अब्बास खान,
बिलाल फत्ताह,
महानूर शाह, फायजा अल्ताफ हुसैन, इसार अली.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Engineering, Biomedical, and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Congratulations, dear graduates. I will now call upon Principal Ziauddin College of Media Science, Ms. Tamina Lodi, to present the graduates of BS Communications and Media Sciences.
I present to you graduates who've been examined and found qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Sciences in Communication and Media Sciences, to which I pray they may be admitted.
Sayyid Dabirul Haq, Sania Yusuf, Aisha Azam Bhatt, Tehreem Masood Sayyid, Sayyida Marukh Shaukat, Raima Nadeem, Kainat Anwar,
मुजम्मिल ख्वाजा, हिबा ज़हरा,
Vilas Siddiqui.
I request the Vice Chancellor to please confer the degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Ziauddin University, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Science in Communication and Media Sciences and charge you to uphold the honor of the degree and the institution.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at a proud and prestigious moment of our ceremony today, as we proudly award our outstanding graduates with a gold medal for their excellent academic tenure through their years with us. I invite Pro-Chancellor Dr. Nida Hussain to please come to the podium to announce the names of our gold medalists.
It is my pleasure to announce the Dr. Ziauddin Gold Medal Award of the year 2019. It is awarded to those candidates who have displayed an excellent academic performance throughout their time at Ziauddin University.
Armina Anis, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Shiza Ahmed, Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Muniza Nasir, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Maria Zahid, Bachelor of Science in Audiology and Speech Language Therapy. Roger Masih, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Anamta Riasat, Bachelor of Science Medical Technology CLS. Qayyum Ali Shah, Bachelor of Science Medical Technology. Sharan Birijlal, Doctor of Pharmacy. Munira Mohammadi Zariwala, Bachelor of Engineering. Sania Yusuf, Bachelor of Science in Communication and Media Sciences.
Ziauddin University prepares its students in the most modern scientific line. Our goal is to make self-learners so that they keep on learning throughout their lives and their careers. I congratulate the graduates for their hard work that has led them to this day, and I am sure that they are ready to face the challenges of the world. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot, Madam. Now I request the Vice Chancellor to come to the podium.
Honorable Chancellor, now I request you to please declare the convocation closed.
I declare the Ziauddin University Convocation of 2020 closed.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that we have come to the end of today's ceremony. On behalf of everyone at Ziauddin University, we would like to thank you all for gracing this occasion, and most of all, we would like to offer our best wishes to all the graduates. You have worked very hard and you have succeeded.